Welcome, dear viewers, to our magical channel. Today, we will tell you how to create a magical talisman that will protect you from the ill intentions of others. This talisman is simple yet powerful, and we are confident it will become a reliable ally in your life. Protection and talismans have always been an important part of our culture. In this video, we will tell you about a simple but effective talisman against the ill intentions of others. This talisman will help you preserve your energy and shield yourself from negative influences. Let's begin. To create this talisman, you will need a small piece of paper and a pen. Write the following words on the paper. May this talisman protect, preserve from evil. All that witches have cast, all that enemies have sent, shall not come near me, it shall return to them twofold. Amen. These words possess magical power and are capable of creating a protective barrier around you that will repel negativity and ill intentions directed towards you. Remember, belief in magic and talismans is crucial, so recite these words with sincerity and confidence. After you've written the words on the paper, fold this piece of paper and place it in a small pouch or a pocket talisman. This talisman will now be with you wherever you go and will serve as your protective shield. When you feel that negative energies are being directed at you or when you want to strengthen your protection, simply take this talisman in your hand and repeat the words you wrote. Believe me, it really works. Talismans are a powerful way to shield yourself from negative influences and malevolent people. They help us preserve our energy and feel more confident. And so, we have come to the end of our video on creating a magical talisman against ill intentions. This talisman is not just a piece of paper with words. It represents your intentions and desires, symbolically expressed. By creating such a talisman, you are sending your intentions of protection and well-being into the world. And remember, the strength of this talisman depends on your belief and confidence. Carry it with you, knowing that you are under its protection. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends who can also benefit from this magical practice. Thank you for your views and comments. Remember, magic is all around us, and we can learn from it every day. Be in harmony and under protection. Until we meet again.